Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add or remove fishes from the favorite list in Fish Eat Roblox. So if you caught a massive legendary or super cute rare fish that you want to keep track of, the favorite list is essential for quickly assessing your prize catches. And here's how you can remove or add fish to your favorite list. So what you need to do here is just click on the items in the bottom. Click on items in here. And as you guys can see, favorite is currently off. So if you want to add something into your favorite list, the one with this yellow boxes in here, you can click on this button first and click on a fish that you want to add to your favorite. Let's say this one. Click on it and it will be moved to the top with the yellow box. And if you want to remove an item, you can do the exact same way. Just click on the items that you want to remove from here and it will be moved to the bottom. And you can just click on this button again to turn off the feature. So that's how you can remove and add fishes to your favorite list in Fish Eat Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.